Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to use the launch control button in this Mercedes-AMG GT C Coupe. This is a nice Edition 50, one of 500. Very cool car in this matte grey color. Yeah, it's kind of black. Edition 50, one of 500. But the launch control system is the same as in the GTS and GT models. Now it's in comfort mode. You have to be sure that it is in the Sport Plus mode. And also be sure that the temperature of the oil and engine is good. Well, let's start to find a road that's empty. Car has to be in Sport Plus. The dynamic modus here is on the full modus. Automatic gearbox in drive. Left foot on the brake, right foot full, race start, and release the brake. There we go. And that is 0 to 100 kilometers an hour in 3.7 seconds. Crazy fast, this GTC. We can do it again. Sport Plus, left foot on the brake, right foot full, race modus. It is hammer time. Hammer time for this AMG GT C, and thanks for watching.